Hey everybody, I am talking to you today about the newest accountability group that I will be hosting come Monday. So this is my March 2021 accountability group, and this is geared to bring in spring like no other. So I would like you to pick a program, and we are going to faithfully do this for 3 weeks. Now there are some programs on the Beachbody On Demand library that are only 3 weeks long, so that's perfect. Keeps your attention, it keeps you driven, and it gets you results. Spring is going to be here and we want to look and feel our best. So these programs are perfect. You have MBF, love that program. You have the Unstressed program, it's also 3 weeks, which is helpful to de-stress, unwind, and feel really good. There's also the 21-day fix programs. There's a couple of them now. And then if there's something else that you have your eye on, we're just gonna really focus in on it for 3 weeks and make sure you're getting results and feeling your best. Now, with all of the challenge packs now, they come with both nutritional programs. This is huge. So you get the Portion Fix program, the Container System, which teaches you so much about nutrition. And then it also comes with the To Be Mindset program, which is the emotional eating type of strategy. So both programs I use in and out of every day, and I show all of my customers and challengers how to do them too, because the tips are real life, very realistic, and fit so well into our lifestyles. So behind me is the 9-week Control Freak program, and it comes with really fun equipment, and also the program now is without any equipment as well. So if you're thinking, I don't really want to put that sucker on my wall or on my door, you can do off the wall for one of your programs too. So many options, over 80 different workouts on Beachbody On Demand. So it is the best home workout option definitely around, and the most affordable. So if you're interested in being in the spring group, please just let me know and I will send you an invite. And also if you're looking into getting Beachbody On Demand or one of the newer programs, I will make sure I get you the best deal possible. I'm always one to help you save money, and you're gonna feel great along the way. So if you have any questions, just let me know. But again, we don't have too long before this group starts, and so I want to get you your invite today.